All right, we're on the Triumph Tiger. The throttle's a little snappy. I can tell that right away. The display is absolutely fantastic. It's a pretty cold day here in Birmingham area. It's about 50 degrees, maybe not even that yet. Self-canceling blinkers aren't canceling. Just love this display. Very nice. Very, very nice. There's our trip. Hider aids. Brightness control. There we go. Getting a lot of wind on my shoulders, upper arms, and a good bit in my chest. Let's try it down. Oh, the windshield adjusts very easily, super easy, but still quite a bit of wind. Very smooth on the shift assist. Very nice. Let's try down. Oh yeah, really good. Really good. Much smoother than the 1250 GS, that's for sure. Seat's firmer than the GS. If we're doing a direct comparison. Woo, brakes are tight. Okay. Oh yeah, the shift assist, very nice. Very nice. Still, the canceling, maybe that's an option and it's just not turned on. It says 61 degrees. That is absolutely not right. Not even close. I'm slightly leaned forward, have a little bit of weight on my hands and wrist, just a tad. It's a really engaging position, but it's not quite as leaned back and comfortable as the GS. Okay, here's the configurator off of Triumph's website. $22,095 for the Bike GT Pro in the blue, like you see here, the dark color. I think that's a good value. Triumph's actually discounting these bikes. I think they're a fantastic value compared to the BMW GS, if that's what you like. Again, the headlight looks great. Overall, look at the bike, it's sharp. There's Brimo brakes, very responsive, very tight, very linear. It comes with the fog lights built in right from the factory. No engine guard protection. The coating on the engine is very sharp. Here's a look at the rear suspension that's fully electronic and adjustable. The bike feels nice and light. Here's an on-off switch. It seems a little odd to me for the ignition, but it's there. It's not a single, double swing arm. Here's the exhaust system. The muffler's pretty small and thin. I really like that, compact. The tail lights look good. On the rear end, you have a position there to put a top case built in. There's the shaft drive and the pegs for the passenger and the pillion. The seat is firm. I think that would be good on long distance, wide, and reasonably comfortable. The mirrors were solid on the trip. I could see to the side well, no vibration. Here's the switch gear along with the grips, which were very nice, good size. There's a little button by my thumb. We just passed it where you can turn the heated grips on and off. And then you have the heated seat on and off and the indicator on the screen as well. I turned the sound off here because I was parked and there were quite a few motorcycles out in the area revving their engines, hard to hear. Again, the screen is super nice, very clear and crisp. There's a couple different themes you can use on this. You can pair your devices to it. In fact, you can see there's actually a GoPro setting on it. I thought that was really nice. It's functionally easy to use, but there's many things that are kind of buried into the menu system, and I didn't see my range on the home screen, trip A, trip B, those type of things. So that was a little discouraging. I didn't see where you could even put those in to configure it. There may be, if you know, leave it in the comments, but I would definitely like to see that. Here you can see the brightness theme language. We're changing the theme here to cobalt from furnace. And you can see just the difference there. Basically the same type of information, just a different look. You can turn shift indicator on and off. You can have the riders individually named or not. So there's some good information in there. There's lots of settings, lots of flexibility. This was one of the interesting ones. Here's the different rider aids and settings. This is actually the suspension dampening, and you can adjust it, I believe, 8 or 10 different settings on how firm or soft you want. So that's a huge amount of control. Really like that. So again, just different views. I just wanted to show you what you see on the screen there. Some of the different options you can see. So go ahead and check out this bike. I think it's well worth your time. It's a good value for this type of bike. It's got a strong engine. It's a lot of fun to ride. And if you're looking for a GS or a Ducati Multistrada, a Suzuki, this one should be, I believe, at the very top of the list, and you should do what you can to at least get a test ride of this bike. It's very, very nice, and I don't think you can go wrong at all. So thank you again for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment.